Jet ski, jet ski, jet ski, jet ski. That's right. I don't plan on coming off. Too cold.
That's what I said. What?
Too cold. Got Mr. Colo, Mr. Ferris, Mr. Wattage with the jet ski action. Oh, all right. The water is brisk, very brisk. Inside, and that's your pisser going to the outside, back to the launch.
Okay. Oh wait, but hold on, that just goes to the front of the pipe.
That's correct.
Comes out.
Yeah, so the exhaust fills up here, goes that way, and then through here onto your pisser.
Yep.
And then the water also comes up through the exhaust manifold and inside with the exhaust fumes.
Well, you've put it how it's meant to be. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well,
With the right
it should be
gaskets.
Right.
Anyway. Oh, she's going down the beach.
Oh, down there.
Yeah, she'll be hanging down the beach.
Oh, she's gonna hang out there, and we'll go down there. Yeah, that's cool. At least today, at least the sun's sticking around today. It's not bad.
I reckon it was colder.
That you're at
All the water felt colder than yesterday.
I don't know. We're acclimatised now. We are seamen. Jesus. We are seamen.
Slips.
Slips.
That green ski
Is loud.
Freaking loud. Yes. Beach day.
It's actually crack a day, man.
It is.
1.5 metres social distancing.
Loud.